Welcome to social study class. Today we are going to learn about history and its sources. So sit with some elderly persons like your grandparents and ask them about their childhood. What did they like eating? Which books did they read? What games did they play? Did they have mobile phones, television or computers? How did they spend their free time? Now think, how was their childhood different from yours? So can you imagine how people lived around 50 years ago? So when we are talking about life as it was 50 years ago, we are talking about the past. When you look back, many things have changed over the years. Now look how you have changed. Today you are very different from the time when you were a little baby. Can you see how you have changed? This is your history. Now what is history? It is the story of humans from all over the world. Story of people, places. It tells us about our ancestors and their lives. History is how human beings changed over the years, how things were then and how things were now. When you compare your grandparents' lives or even your parents' lives when they were your age, this is the history of your family. History tells us about the events that happened many years ago. It also tells us about what happened, when it happened, and how it happened. In history, we read lives of mighty kings, queen, wise men, human, many inventions, and about many battles and wars. And it also tells us about the common people. So now, why should we study history? It is very important to study history as it helps us in many ways. We come to know about our rich culture, what people achieved in past and about the mistakes made in past so that we do not repeat them. And it is also very interesting to know the past, how people lived many years ago and how things have changed. Most of the people of the past are no more, so we cannot talk to them. Then how can we study their lives or learn about their past? The historians tell us different methods to find out about our past. Now, who are historians? Historians are the person who study the past. The records or objects that help us in studying the past are called as sources of history. Just like your old family album, it is an object that is filled with pictures of your family members over the years. There are many objects like coin, jewelry, pottery. They are found by digging the surface of the earth. And there are many important buildings like the temples, monuments, cave paintings, stamps, written records such as newspaper, journal, and letters written long ago. They tell us about the past. These objects from which we come to know about the past are the sources of history. So children, hope you learnt a lot about history and its sources. So that is all for today. Thank you.